Deputy National Police Commissioner for Human Resources, Lieutenant General Bonang Mgwenya, is in hot water. She was arrested on charges of fraud and corruption. National Commissioner General Ketla Sitole has since reaffirmed his stance following her arrest, saying nobody is above the law and justice must prevail. Mgwenya has appeared in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court. Siphamandla Goge following the story for us. He joins us now live. So let's talk about what led to this arrest first.
Well, we are talking about a 2017 tender here. This tender is in connection with the installation of blue lights for the Gauteng SAPS vehicles. Now, a number of top cops have been arrested in this case. They include former Acting National Police Commissioner Khomotso Phahlane and others in Gauteng who have been arrested. If I'm not mistaken, we are talking about more than 9 top cops that have been arrested. So today, Major General Bonang Mgwenya becomes accused number 15. She joins a list of top cops that have been arrested here. The state alleges that she was central in the illegal awarding of the 191 million rand tender, but the state forked out about 60 million rand before the tender was stopped after it was picked up that something was wrong with the tender. The state alleges here, the state prosecutor told the court today that actually Major General Mgwenya was central and that she did not disclose her relationship with the service provider who was awarded the tender and that she benefited financially from that tender. The state alleges that the service provider paid some of the money for her luxurious BMW X5 car. Apparently more than 400,000 rand was paid by the service provider, according to the state prosecutor. That's what he told the court today. So she was nabbed this morning at her house in Pretoria. She was taken to Hillbrow police station for processing, and then she was brought here to appear in court. The proceedings were very brief. Everything was arranged and the issue of the bail hearing. So when she appeared in court, we got straight into the bail hearing. She told the court through her lawyer that she can only afford to pay 5,000 rand, but the court heard from the prosecutor that someone has offered to loan her 20,000 rand, so she was granted a 20,000 rand bail today.
Yeah, interesting how it's all planned out and these top officials get bail within the day where other people have to spend times behind bars. So what happens next then with this case?
She is due back in court on the 16th of November. That is the date that was set previously when other accused appeared in court. She becomes accused number 15, so she will join her co-accused here on the 16th of November. The state had initially indicated that it's ready to commence with the trial, but today state prosecutor telling the court that he doesn't think that the trial will get underway on the 16th of November 2020 because some accused persons have indicated that they will be challenging the constitutionality of the search and seizures that were performed in their respective premises rather. But she will be back in court on the 16th together with the other 14 accused. They will appear in court. As to whether the trial will resume on that day, it remains to be seen. But based on what the state prosecutor told the court, it is highly unlikely that the trial will get underway because there are those issues to be cleared out before this matter goes for trial on the 16th of November.
All right, we're going to leave it right there. Thanks for the update. Siphamandla Goge is outside the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court.